And this is my latest lawnmower find here. This is a Troy Bilt Model TB200. It's got the newer Briggs and Stratton engine on here. 625 EX series, 150cc. And this is self-propelled. Got a very small yard, and they got electric lawnmower. Didn't have a bag with this or a side chute. And I think I've got a Troy Bilt bag that'll work on here. See if that will fit. They had a very small yard, so it looks like it's in really nice condition here. Overhead valve engine. Not sure it's ever been cleaned before or had any of the debris washed off of it, cleaned off of it. 21-inch. That's a mulching blade on here. And it's got one of these plastic teeth in the front there that guides the grass into the mower. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. Let me show you a little bit more about this Troy Bilt and we'll give it a start. I'm just checking for rust here. It's just caked with grass clippings. Can't really tell much about it until I get it cleaned up. And checking the wheels on here. These are plastic covers. Each pair of wheels has a separate height adjustment. Goes up and down. That one looks fine. Here's the pair for the front. And these all look fine on this side as well. And it has one of these wash ports, which I don't use. And here's some more information about the engine. It's got a model year 2014. And this is the model and serial number of this Troy Bilt. And it came from our local Lowe's home store. And let's check the oil in this. Well, it shows full. I don't know if it's ever been changed before or not, but the oil looks fairly clean in there. And let's check this air filter. No prime, no choke, ready start. It's got a car type air filter in here. Wow, it is packed with dirt. I really need to clean this out. The air filter actually looks like it could be replaced. And let's check, see if we got some gas in there, and we do. Doesn't smell bad. Hasn't been used this year, I was told. We bought an electric mower. Self-propel, front wheel drive. I'm sure we looked at the gearbox. Up underneath here. Everything is just coated with grass clippings, needs to be cleaned out. And we have two handles here. The top one is the blade control where you pull it down to start the engine. And the bottom one is the self-propelled. All that seems like it's in good condition here. And since they've gone electric, they also gave me this gas container with this as well, which is about half full. And if I didn't mention earlier, this was a free mower. They gave this away. They got an electric one, so I didn't even bother to really look at it good in their yard or attempt to start it. Just thanked them and took it, and we're looking at it at the same time here. So let's see if it will actually start. Here we go, auto choked on no primer. Alright, first time. That sounds pretty good. Let's see if it smokes. Haven't seen any yet. Very good for a free mower. Let's try the self-propelled out. And you just pull the handle. That works. And I just cut this grass. Miss in it. We'll let this run a while. It hadn't been run this year, I was told. Looks to be a very nice Troy Bilt. We're going to clean this up, see if my bag fits, and I'll do a follow-up video on it. Very nice mower. And after cleaning out underneath and looking at this blade, it's actually on upside down. The cutting side should be on this side, and it's on this right hand side here. So whoever took this blade off and reinstalled it put it on upside down. So we'll correct that on this Troy Bilt as well.